Hi, Oscar. Match it. A for? Good. Next. Next. C for? Good. Next. D for? D for? Dog. Next. E for? Good. Next. F for? Good. Next. G for? Very good. Next. H for? Hat. Next. I for? Very good. Claps all of you. Very good, Oscar. Go and sit.